how to activate Virgin Money credit card. Now if you have your credit card and then you would like to basically activate it, first of all you want to simply open the Virgin Money credit card app and make sure to log into your credit card account. Now the quickest and easiest way to activate your card is through this Virgin Money card app itself. Now to check if your card is active after you log in, just go to the summary screen in the app. There will be an option to activate your card here if your card is not yet active. Now if there is no option to activate, you can check the manage screen and yes will appear next to card active option if your card is already active and ready to use. Now you can actually download the credit card app via the App Store or Google Play. You just want to search for the Virgin Money credit card app, and just like that, after following the instructions, you will be able to go ahead and then activate your Virgin Money credit card app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.